Students, today we're introducing Malvaceae weeds. Malvaceae is a large family in the plant kingdom. The rose of Sharon and hollyhock we're familiar with are its relatives. But some members among them, like Cocoropsis, Abutilon, and Cedar we're learning about today, because they reproduce rapidly with strong adaptability, have become uninvited guests in farmland. Their family characteristics are very obvious. Leaves are mostly palmate or cordate, like small palm fans or stars. Flowers are mostly yellow or white. Most crucial is stamens join hands, forming a tube. This is called monadiferous stamens. This is Malvaceae's ID card. Below, let's get to know the true faces of several common Malvaceae weeds. 1. Cocoropsis. Cocoropsis is a shy little wild grass, hiding in grass clusters on hillsides and roadsides. Its stem is thin and straight. Tender branches covered with stellate short pubescence. Touch it with your hand, like hedgehog spines. Prickly. Leaves are ovate, margins with obtuse teeth. Both leaf surface and back densely covered with these small prickly hairs. Under sunlight, looks like sprinkled with gold powder. In August to September, it blooms small yellow flowers, petals obovate, like small suns attached in leaf axils. Most special is its fruit cylindrical capsule, entire body also covered with stellate hairs. When wind blows, seeds rustle down into soil. Next year, another patch emerges. Farmers often say, this grass looks small, but is quite formidable. When corn seedlings just emerge, it grows along, using small prickly hairs to compete for sunlight. If cultivation is slightly untimely, corn gets bullied and can't grow tall. This is Cocoropsis' survival wisdom, using prickly hairs to protect itself, using dense plants to seize resources. 2. Abutilon. Abutilon is a tall one in Malvaceae, can grow to 1.5 meters high. Stem entirely covered with pubescence and stellate hairs, feels soft when touched. Leaves are round cordate, diameter can exceed 10 centimeters, like a child's palm spread open. Margins also with coarse and fine serrations. Blooms yellow flowers in June to August. Petals obovate. Look closely. Stamens connected forming a white tube, like small lantern. Most annoying is its fruit hemispherical capsule, divided into 15 to 20 segments, each segment covered with coarse hairs and small awns. After ripening, dark black, squeeze it and it cracks. Seeds pop everywhere. More troublesome is that Abutilon is an alien species native to India, originally introduced as a fiber crop for hemp, but is too hardy, drought tolerant, tolerates poor soil. Seeds can lie dormant in soil for 5 years without germinating. When plowing exposes them to light, whoosh, they all sprout. In recent years, Abutilon has caused severe harm along both banks of the Yangtze River, becoming a regular in water level fluctuation zone plants. Can be seen everywhere, became an ecological invader. 3. Cider. Cider is a master of disguise. It's not tall, many branches, like small shrub lying by roadside. Leaves are lanceolate, margins with serrations, petioles sparsely covered with pubescence. Easiest to recognize is its flowers, solitary or paired growing in leaf axils. Yellow petals, obovate, base also with small cilia like small butterflies perched on branches. Fruit is nearly spherical capsule, mericarp apex with 2 short awns, pericarp wrinkled like small beetle melon. Here I'll explain a real tea plantation harm case for everyone. Cedar was originally roadside grass, but in recent years began invading tea plantations. Its prostrate stems can burrow under tea plant roots, competing with tea plants for nutrients. More troublesome is its seeds, lurk mixed in tea seedling soil. When tea seedlings grow up, it also emerges along, using dense small branches to strangle tea plants so they can't breathe. Students, these weeds are very formidable. Actually, it's nature's survival lesson. Cocoropsis uses prickly hairs to protect itself. Abutilon uses large leaves to compete for sunlight. Cider uses seeds to lurk all our wisdom from billions of years of evolution. But when they cross boundaries affecting humans, It requires all of you present to use your learned knowledge to balance it. Everyone must also remember, invasive alien species often begin with human carelessness. Abutilon and cedar were originally useful plants, can be used for fiber, can be ornamental, but because of lack of natural enemies and improper management, became troublesome. This reminds us, whether introducing species or developing them, must respect natural laws. Small as a potted flower, large as a species, all may affect ecological balance. Finally, I want everyone to remember one phrase. Weeding is not extermination. It's letting crops and weeds each find their place. This is the second time we've discussed this content. Hope in the future, you all can use your learned knowledge to paint more beautiful ecological pictures in the fields.